Hey everybody, I got a massive box. Let me just take a look how big this box is. So I got the amazing chance to work with Expo International to working on doing videos for their YouTube channel. And this is the box they sent me to start getting ready to doing their products. Let me open it up. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a really big item and then just kind of get it off the way. So Expo International has a wide variety of lots of different products from bags. So this is just one of the bags that they happen to have, which is super cute. It's got like a bamboo handle. It is so adorable. Look at that. It's like a perfect little beach tote. I'm not getting a very good picture of what this looks like up close, but here is a bigger picture. So it is so stinking cute. I love it. I mean, it's nice and big. It's got, not only can you hold it this way, but you can also hold with bigger handles so you can put it over your shoulder, which is fantastic. So I got a tote to play with, and it's nice and plain, which lends you to be able to decorate it, which is awesome. And then there's trims. So Expo International also has a huge assortment of different types of trims, and this is just a small smattering of what they have. So I'm going to open up this guy. They also have appliques. They have, I mean, there's so many things. If you are into sewing or into DIY or anything like that, there is like pom-pom trims. I mean, just take a look. There's so many such cute stuff there. Now, I do not know the names of all of these off the top of my head. I mean, I have a number up here, but just look at this. Look how cool this is. Isn't that fun? All these fun colors. You just think about being able to put this on a tote, on a bag, on, all different fun things. There's so many. It's been laced at the top, and also it's been stitched at the bottom, so it gives you that perfect little liner. I mean, there's so many cute things that you can do with this. And that is just one of the many trims, and it feels like chenille, the kind of fabric. So cute. I love that. It's so bright and fun for summer. So stinking cute. So this is one of them. So I got one of these to play with. This is definitely going to be coming back into a project soon. Probably with that tote. I mean, my mind's already going there. I also, that's the only one like that I can see. All right, I also have a whole bunch of these like fringe stuff. So we've got them in pink, as you can see here. Lighting is a bit funny right now. I think it's catching on all the plastic, so I'm sorry about that. All right, let me open this up real fast. Just look how cool that is. I mean, it's like fringy fringe. Look how fun. And this leads to being able to do so many fun things with that. Obviously, you can put this on attire if you wanted to put this, I mean, like on clothing and things like that. I'm going to untape it for you real fast. I mean, just look how cute. This is a light pink, and it's adorable. I have some ideas already of what I might want to do with this. Just kind of sprucing up a little something and adding a little bit of trim to that just brings it to life. And it just, I don't know, it's cute. And we also have it in this light blue color. I don't know why my camera's colors is changing so fast. Probably because all the plastic on these. We have this mint color, which is so stinking cute. I have a white. And then I have this gold. They're all the same concept. They are just, and I think that was it. They're just the different forms of colors of the same trim, which is this really fun trim that you see right here. So fun. All right, move them off to the side. All right, there's this little guy right here that I'm going to show you guys. So these are pack of 24 little tassels. So stinking cute. I mean, look at these little guys. So cute. I love these little tassels. You can do so much with them. They have kind of a leather feel to them, and look at all the range of colors that you get. So we've got a green, we've got a pink, we've got a light pink, we've got a gray, a blue, a purple, a yellow, a red, a light blue. We have a brown, kind of a maroon color. I mean, so many fun colors. And they're about an inch. I mean, I can measure real fast. No, they're about 1.5 inches. So they're 1.5 inches long from the very, very tip. And there is an eye hole on them, so you can thread them through. But yeah, just so many fun things that you can do with these little guys. So fun. All right, so then we've got some pom-pom trim. Now, we've got a couple of different sizes here. All right, well, the best way. I'm going to open up the black one so you guys can see. Now, this stuff is pretty darn cool. So, as we're opening this up, here's it's taped on here. And just look at this fun pom-pom trim. Look how adorable that is. So, it's already on this beautiful kind of trim at the top, and then it's got little dangly pom-poms. So cute. And I have it in black. There's teal, there's light blue, there's pink, there's light pink, there's white. I'm trying to see if you guys can still see it on camera. Orange and yellow. And look, I mean, it's so fun. It's so cute. Very durable. I've used this on a couple of projects in the past, and it is so adorable. And you can cut off and just use the little palm part, this part, or you can use it as the trim, which is so fun. So it really gives you lots of variety on that. So all these cool pom-pom trims, and this isn't the large pom-pom. There's a special name for it, and I'll have links down below so you guys can find it. And then we have what I would call the baby pom-pom trim. So again, we have pretty similar colors. We've got, I'm going to open up this package because I like the pink ones. So the baby pom-pom trim, the cool thing about them is that they do not dangle. They're kind of like attached to it. So it becomes a little more attached to the surface rather than dangling down, which I think is really fun. So I love that. It gives you a lot more versatility in terms of what you can do because it's not centered. One of the projects I've already done, and actually I had a little bit of product previously, is I made some really sweet flowers because look how easily these wrap around, and they're so cute when they wrap up and they turn themselves into cute little flowers like that. They're so adorable. So we've got the hot pink, the light pink, the black again. This, it's a little bit of a different color. This is more of like a sapphire. Then we have white, the baby blue, the orange, and the yellow. There we go. You can just now see it. So cute, so fun, and so versatile. I mean, everybody thinks like, well, what are you going to do with the trims? You can put them on cards. You can put them on scrapbook pages. You can put them on home decor, DIY stuff. Put them on a cute little jar, and they're so fantastic. And there's so much fun stuff you can do with these. And this is the last one. This one's cool. I have no idea what this is. This is kind of a surprise for me. It looks like a bunch of flowers, which I'm in love already just by looking at the fact that it looks like a flower. So I'm going to find where the end is on this. Okay, so I'm unwrapping. Obviously, it's black and white. They're black and white flower trim. Look at that. Look how sweet that is. So it's on a tulle base, as you can see. So it's got a tulle base. And then you've got these flowers that have been stitched onto there, these beautiful flowers, of which you can cut and you can leave on their own, or you can leave it as a trim. You can, because the tulle is flexible, you could either keep the tulle, I'm trying to lay this nice and flat, you could either keep it spaced or you could bunch it up. If you glue it or sew it, you can make them closer together, which would be really fun because then you have this bunch of flowers. You can nestle them all together. I mean, so many fun things. So it just lends to having a beautiful fun trim. I mean, look how cool that is. So pretty. So come check out Expo International. The link for that channel is going to be down below, and I'm going to be doing projects once a month for them, so that way you guys can see some cool things that you can do with all these amazing trims. I mean, just look how pretty this is. And just all the uses that you can do with all these fun trims, from tassels to pom-poms. They have the bags. Again, they have other things. They have appliques. They have lots of cool little bits and bobs. And these things are so super fun to play with. The pom-poms, they're cute and they're fun, and why not? So thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out the other channel and seeing all the cool projects. I will be making some videos on my channel using this stuff too, so don't worry about that. And I will see you guys again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.